Hi everyone, this is the moving vlog part 1. If you haven't seen my empty studio tour, then go ahead and check it out. But if you did not know, I am moving into a studio. Not like properly moving permanently, but that is going to be my workspace, studio space. So I'm gonna shift most of my clothing, makeup, entire of my makeup and skincare. So in today's vlog, this is the day 1. I actually haven't gotten the keys yet, but I have literally I just want to show you. Wait, just look at this. ये मेरा bed पूरा भर गया है with clothes. This is one, and then I have, this is my cupboard basically. So मेरी ये पूरी जगह इतनी भरी हुई रहती थी, like there is literally no space for any clothes. So now I've removed all of the dresses, I've removed all of the tops and everything. And my action plan for today is to basically fold the dresses section into the I have gotten these organizers, fold them and keep them. So next week when I get the keys, I just have to take the like organizers and keep it over there. So I actually don't know how much storage I want, because I have to buy a cupboard over there. So वो भी मुझे सोचना है, but as of now I'm just gonna keep all my dresses, fold them really nicely and then keep them in the organizers, and then I'll think about the cupboard situation. And yes, I'm also like this is literally so embarrassing, but you can see like this is my entire boxes. PR boxes are getting piled up so badly, so the entire of my vanity is going to go over there. All my filming equipments are going to go over there. So that is the action plan. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead, fold my dresses and show that to you. Guys, I have way too many dresses. I'm still trying to fit in all of this in there. So wish me luck. I'm gonna fold. I know it's just for a little while, but yeah, I'm already stressing out because मैं बताती हूँ मेरे जो घर के कपड़े, like these clothes, I am currently like keeping them in a duffel bag because मेरी cupboard में जगह ही नहीं है. Like this duffel bag is where I keep my घर के clothes. इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मुझे मेरे घर के कपड़े रखने को. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try to cramp them in for the time being. Guys, it's been a few days later. I might get the keys today or tomorrow, I am not sure, but now I'm gonna sit and start to pack my makeup because I might have to shift like this week, so I have to get back to packing. Now I have all of these, literally all of these pouches which I have. Let me just put you somewhere. Okay, so I have these pouches in which I'm gonna store my makeup. As of now, it's literally too much. I'm gonna empty all the 10 drawers of makeup which I have. This is literally getting insane by each passing day. This is like just the one drawer of lipsticks which I have, and then all of these, this is what I use on a regular basis. So I'm gonna start packing these as much as I can, and these are my blushes, into all of these packing like travel pouches. I don't understand how is this gonna fit in this इतना सारा मेकअप है मेरे पास, रोना आ रहा है. It's not closing. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें रह गई है, just I'm gonna keep it in this. So अभी क्या हो रहा है ना कि I am going in my own college to give lectures about content marketing. So I have to juggle that and then the shifting until 6th of July. So I'm usually right now not really filming much because there's a lot of happening. I have to prepare for the lectures, then I have to give my Urvi Designs lectures and then do the shifting. So I'm not really filming until and unless I am in the zone. And any which ways I feel like next week se to bang on filming start hone wala hai. So I'm not wearing any makeup. So I'm just wearing only 2 products right now, as you can see. This is the LA Girl concealer and powder. So मैं सिर्फ वो 2 चीज़ें यहाँ पे रख रही हूँ. Rest everything is packed into the pouches over here. I don't know how I'm gonna carry all my, I don't even know how many lipsticks I have. But right, oh my god, I forgot about my eyeshadows. अभी के लिए I'm gonna pack my blushes in this, and then maybe afterwards I'll just figure something out for my lipsticks and my eyeshadow palettes and my mascaras and my setting sprays. So इसमें सब कुछ fit नहीं हुआ है. I have these small pouches and I have my prized possession, which is the Rare Beauty highlighter. I do not carry this anywhere. I do not even remove it out of my drawer because it is so delicate and it is my prized possession. So for that purposes, I don't know if you can even see me. For that purpose, I'm just gonna keep it over there. I'm not adding it with the other highlighters ka pouch. But I have these small pouches. I'm gonna add my small lip and cheek tints in this. When I moved to first this house, 3 years ago, I did not have much, and now it's like too much. So those are the lip and cheek tint blushes. I'm trying to fit in as much as I can. So far this is the foundation, concealer, powder, highlighter and blush drawer. I think I have still, oh my god, I forgot about this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more drawers to go, which is absolutely insane. I know that this is in no way a regular amount, but as being a beauty creator, this is just something which a lot of us have to be surrounded with. So, and this is just how it is usually. Now I'm gonna go to my studio and see painting का काम and cleaning का काम कब तक आया है, and then I'm gonna ask my parents कि हम कब से ये कैबिनेट लेके जा सकते हैं, कब से शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. अभी से मैंने थोड़ा पैक करके रख दिया है because at the end maybe like tomorrow or day after if I have to shift the cabinet, it should not be like oh my god everything is happening on the same day. It's the next day. I am so tired. Yesterday I went to the studio. I got the measures done for the carpet. Today we are gonna put the carpet over there, and then afterwards I came home and then I decided what exactly is happening when. So today there is going to happen like a small puja for the house so that I can start shifting my stuff. And today morning, it is 7:20 right now. Today morning I have my lecture. I am literally buffering. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. I've had no sleep yesterday. I think I went down and in the town around like 3 times. So I just desperately need sleep. But today after my lecture, I'm going to my studio to see my carpet कैसे fix हुआ है. Then I'm gonna go and shift the big boxes which I showed you. And then I'm gonna go probably rest. And then in the evening at 5 o'clock puja hai. So that is the schedule for today. I'm already sleepy. I think I'm gonna need the McDonald's cold coffee, which I have been craving since days, but I haven't been drinking it because I get very jittery when I drink coffee. So yeah, because my hair gets so frizzy during rainy season. It looks literally like jhadu and I hate it. Just reached home from giving the lectures and I'm so sleepy. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I've had coffee because मुझे अभी all these boxes I have to take, empty boxes, to the studio because tomorrow I have to bring this IKEA table to my studio क्योंकि परसों my brother is going to like do the entire setup and show me how to do it. He's a cinematographer by the way. So मतलब वो अच्छे से सब बताने वाला है. So I also get an idea. Okay, this is where I can do and this is the settings and all of that. So I have a lot of things to do. I packed my products yesterday, but clearly I have to pack my lipsticks, eyeshadows. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm scared about that. But for now, let's go ahead and put these boxes in the studio. And I also have to film the empty studio tour today. So let's do that. How am I gonna carry this? Carpet is coming along so beautifully. I am so freaking happy. Like I'm just gonna show you just in a minute कि कितना मस्त दिख रहा है वो. And I'm sorry for the echo, but yeah. So this is the carpet. I love how it is looking and it is contrasting well with the white wall. So this wallpaper जो मेरे घर पे था, it was available. इतना बड़ा roll था. You might have seen this in my videos. So this is what we are going to apply entirely over here. So I have wall number 1, wall number 2, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add a neon sign over here for my videos. Oh my god, I am in love. Look how beautiful the carpet is looking. It looks very nice and I can already imagine myself making the fashion videos. This setup is gonna look so good. So one thing which is happening is that मैं परमिशन लेने वाली हूँ अंकल से फॉर द वॉलपेपर एंड इफ़ ही गिव्स द परमिशन आई एम गोना अप्लाई माय एंटायर वॉलपेपर व्हिच आई हैव इन माय लिविंग रूम ऑफ माय हाउस ओवर हियर एंड इट इज़ गोना लुक सो गुड. मैंने सब कुछ इन्विजन कर लिया है. सो होपफुली एंड देन आई हैव सम बिग प्लान्स फॉर लाइक दिस वॉल एज वेल. तो यहाँ पे ये लटकाया हुआ है लाइक देयर आर दीज हुक्स. If again I get the permission to remove that, I'll remove it. Otherwise, I have another cool idea for hanging and decorating that. But I'm so happy. And look at the natural light which is coming over here. I'm like, yeah, it's amazing. But yeah, right now I have to go. There is a puja happening for this place. So मुझे 4:30 को आना है again here. And I already went ऊपर नीचे 3 times. So I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna go home, take a nap and get ready for the puja. And this is the end of the vlog 1 of the moving series. I'll start the vlog 2 and then tomorrow, like in the next vlog, you will see me shifting all the stuff in the living room and the studio. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming on this journey with me and I will see you in my next videos. I'm so freaking excited. Get ready y'all because you're gonna get so many freaking YouTube videos. It is even unreal. Bye.